Are you tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moment? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh, your ultimate solution for endless power on the go. This powerhouse packs an incredible 20,000 mAh capacity, enough to charge your iPhone 6s over 6 times, or keep multiple devices going for days. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ intelligent charging, which identifies your device to deliver the fastest, most efficient charge possible every single time. With dual USB ports, you can conveniently power up 2 gadgets simultaneously, perfect for couples, travelers, or just anyone with multiple devices. If you're searching for the best portable charger or a reliable power bank, this Anker model is a genuine game changer. It's not just a battery, it's true peace of mind for your digital life. Check out the Amazon link in the description to grab yours and revolutionize your charging experience. For reliable, high-capacity charging that you can count on, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute must-have electronic in 2025.